Hey, on this segment on how custom should fit, we're talking over the angle of the arm hang, but more appropriately known on the garment fit, the actual sleeve pitch. So this is the angle that the actual sleeve is attached to the garment. And the correct fit here and the proper fit on a custom suit, one of the really beautiful pieces going custom rather than off the rack, is that this can be individually sewn on at the angle of your arm. So if your arm goes from your socket more forward, this can be clicked on and turned here. So it's kind of like a dial that can turn back and forth. If your arm's more back here and more has a back tilt here, then this can be pulled off the sleeve cap, rotated, and then attached back onto the armhole and sewn in there. So when we select angle of arm hang, that's what we're telling the tailors to do, is actually adjust that. Now when we don't have this, we have two different things that show up on an improper fit. If someone has a normal arm hang, as our master garments do, so when you put on the master garment, you can see whether you have normal, forward, or back. When the arm is further back than how the natural arm or the normal arm is actually cut, there becomes rippling up the backside here and then across the front a little bit as well. When the arm is more forward naturally than how the actual sleeve pitch was cut and sewn on, then you start to get rippling up the front here and maybe a little bit across the outside as well. So that's why you'll be able to select that and go and use those in the measurement system moving forward to select the correct sleeve pitch. Think of it as the last piece of the Rubik's Cube of the entire suit. We know how to get everything right and all the big things, but when you get that sleeve pitch right, it's one of the beautiful pieces, and that's just that little click on the Rubik's Cube. Jump over to the master class if you want to learn more about the specifics of this and how to read the sleeve pitch. And I hope this helps with your fittings moving forward.